Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Mohammed Hussain and today we are going to learn that one thing we know that we how to write any text on console. You know that this is called as a console, console output. So if I say to you write this on console, you can easily write on the C out, in the quotation you can write enter the number. I think so you can write easily in C out. If I say to you that I want to show this text on the console, how it's possible, you will say to me, sir, in the quotation in C out, with the quotation we can write. But if I say to you I want to write on console, I want to write something, if you say enter the number and I want to write on console, so now you got it what I mean. That say if I wanted to write on console, let's suppose if you say enter name, it's possible for you, you say it's very possible. In the quotation sign we can write enter name, but I'm saying right now that after this seeing this enter name, I want to write something like Sir Hussain. Now the Sir Hussain is I wanted to write on console, so I will need this facility. ठीक, I need such facility which give me the permission to write on console. So yet not we have not studied that we can give input from the console. So now we want such facility. So how we get this facility? We have another keyword which known as CIN. CIN means that console input. We have C out, console output. Now we have CIN. Now CIN will come this greater than 2 times, that it called as extraction. What it called? Extraction. So now this CIN give you the facility to write on console. So now another condition for CIN is that it requires variable. It requires variable right in here, variable name. You can say variable name. So we can give this variable name easily. We already know how to write variable. So you know that now. How to if you want to write on the console, the facility is given by the CIN. So we will let you understand by the program. So here is a program written here integer age. You know that what does it mean? It means that there is a memory block, and its name is age, but there is nothing in it. You accept there is nothing in it. We have not give value. What will happen? This is the type of integer. Another thing we have missed. So now what will happen? Compiler come to this area and say it's integer and its a name is age. In the memory it create a block and having a name age. That's it. Now compiler come to this area, this statement. What will happen? You know that on the screen, there's written enter your age. This statement is on the screen now. Enter your age. That's it. Now compiler come to this area in this position. What it will do? It will understand the CIN means there's something. It will input given here in here. Now CIN matlab we have to give something in here in the console. So what will happen? The compiler wait. So compiler wait that now this area have to give something, this area. So CIN provide a facility to write on console, as I told you. So what I will do, as on the screen is written enter your age. Now I have to write something in here. Let's suppose I am writing in here 25. Now I'm writing here 25. What will happen? This 25 now is assigned to this age. Now you got it, that now this 25 is assigned to this age. That's the reason it requires variable. So now age have value which is 25. Got it. And then if we remove this, what will happen? Now age contains 25, and if I am writing in the C out age, so the output will be 25. This will be the output. This will be the output on the screen. So I think so you grab it how to write on console. My boys. And this is a program writing enter your age please. So here what is written here, enter your age. and CIN requires a variable. Whatever the value will give it to on the console, it assigned to age, and cout will show you on the screen. So my students, I want a program. You have to write a program in C++ which show the output like enter your name. Okay, prompt to this message to the user that you have to show me the enter your name, and then it asks a name. Okay, it asks something. So when I have show that enter your name on the screen, if I write in here Katrina Cave, and then the message will come up that welcome to Katrina Cave. Okay, so you got it, my message that what I want you have to write in here that enter your name. Okay, you have to write something now. So after seeing this message, you have write something Katrina Cave. Okay, and it's written in here. Then after it, welcome to Katrina Cave. Okay, if you are saying that, if you are writing here name is Imran. Okay, Imran, let's suppose, and the message will come up with welcome to Imran. Okay, so I think you can write it down like this: welcome Imran to our show. It is possible for you. Hope so. So write it down the code for it. Hope so you got to now understand that how to write a program using CIN.